Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best blenders under $100 that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Blenders Under $100. We have picked the NutriBullet Pro as the top blender as it is very powerful and has an emulsifying blade, which can easily chop items like fruit, vegetables, and nuts. It is easy to clean and comes with a 1-year warranty. Additionally, it comes with a great set of extra accessories such as flip-top lids to take your drink on the go. With their unique design, high performance. Number 5. Ninja Professional 72 ounces Countertop Blender. Blast ice into snow in seconds and blend your favorite ingredients into delicious sauces, dips and smoothies. Outstanding performance with 1000 watts of professional power. Main features: sleek design, 6-blade assembly, 64-ounce maximum liquid capacity. Number 4. Smoothie Blender iCook Professional Blender. 1450 watts advanced motor system. The next generation titanium-coated 6-blade system assembly total crushing technology, delivers high speed of 31,000 RPM. Main features: multifunction countertop, high-speed professional blender, easy to clean up. Number 3. Portable Blender Pop Baby's Personal Blender. Larger volume single USB blender, 17 ounces, much larger than most of 8 to 10 ounces brands, powerful enough to blend ice, frozen fruits, nuts in only 20 seconds. Main features: safe and versatile smoothie, compact design, unique function and gift. Number 2. Oster 6706 6-cup 10-speed blender. Removable filler cap for easy and convenient filling and measuring. Ice crushing power with 10 speeds including pulse. Main features: 6-cup break-resistant plastic jar, stainless steel blade, powerful 450-watt motor. Number 1. NutriBullet Pro 13-piece high-speed blender. Hassle-free cleaning, simply twist off the blade, rinse with soap and water, and put the cups in the top rack of the dishwasher. Long-lasting and durable. Main features: stainless steel extractor blades. 1 year limited. Optimized 900-watt motor. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.